Hello dear subscribers and guests of my channel. Elena is with you again. Welcome to the master class. Today we will sew a whole shaggy napkin. It is sewn very quickly. It looks great. Even a child can sew such a thing. The dimensions of each square are 10.5*10. 5 centimeters according to the size of my strip of fabric. You can make the square bigger or smaller at your discretion. I often use this fabric in my patchwork works. Since I bought a whole roll here in Turkey and it hasn't ended yet. I made origami blocks from this fabric, which I will soon sew on a jacket or a suit that I want to sew. Watch my origami fabric video. Now you can see how simple everything I came up with. No lining is needed. The edges should be shaggy. But still a zigzag or several lines should be laid 1 centimeter from the edge to limit shagginess. But since this fabric of mine is double-sided, I did not use other colors. Also, this napkin can be laid on the table with both the face and the inside out. Who will like which side? You can make such a multicolored napkin. You can make it with a lining and sew the edges inside. Dream up! We mark on the corners where you can stitch 2 squares together. The size is arbitrary. We smooth out the corners well. If you add more squares around the perimeter, you will get a tablecloth And if you add one side at a time, you get a track. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe to my channel. And how do you like the result? Share in the comments which side you like the most. Good luck to all the needlewomen in their work.